I was told I have the worst fashion sense. However, a good way to improve fashion is to accessorize. And for that, you need jewelry. So I thought, let's make a ring. Making a ring sounds easy, but there's a lot of steps to making your own ring, which means there's a lot of things that can go wrong. So let's try to replicate this ring out of aluminium. I'm gonna use the clay casting technique, which is basically you take a mold, fill it up with clay, and pour the hot metal in it. You're gonna need a mold, some clay, the metal you're gonna use. To make your ring mold, you can either use an existing ring, or you can get a little wax block like this and use it to create the ring out of wax. So even though it's a pain, we're gonna make a mold out of wax. This is how it looks now that it's sanded. Now let's prepare the clay cast. Open it. So you're gonna neatly remove, you're gonna make the funnel. Once you've made the air holes like this, to make sure that the oxygen can come out when you're pouring the hot metal, neatly put it back together. Then you're ready to pour, so you can start melting your metal. I've now poured the metal in it. So I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down. We have a ring. The pour wasn't perfect, but we're gonna cut this off and see what we can do to fix it. Now let's go polish this bad boy. It's nice and sanded now, and now I'm just gonna polish it. The ring is now finished, and it looks like this. It still needs a bit of tweak, and then the goal of this ring is not necessarily to wear it, but it's then to be used as a mold for when I cast a silver ring, when I cast a ring out of silver.